Welcome to Reflective Fashion Production. This is like, love, luxury, to braid or not to braid. It's important to detangle your hair before applying any type of products. And today we're going to put a protein treatment on Malia's hair. The best tip that I can give you is to practice combing your hair from the ends to the root first. Adding protein to your hair routine is the first step of keeping your hair hydrated. If you want more information on a DIY protein treatment, check out our Patreon. We have two tiers. One is a $2 tier. It's only just a how-to. And then we have our $5 tier, which goes into depth and has more videos. Maria's scalp is dry, and with her having this color in her hair, we want to make sure that moisture stays in her scalp as well as her hair. So after the protein treatment, what we're going to be using is the bonding shampoo and mask from Verb. I love using Verb products because there's something for everyone. And if you're interested in using Verb, you should definitely check out the link in the description box. Malia really enjoys having her hair shaved on the side, so we're going to give her a fade. And unfortunately, I didn't do a really good job of recording myself, so you're only going to see so much from this. When it comes to shampooing hair, you want to make sure you use at least a quarter size. I spread this, it was a quarter size and now it's just spreading out in my hand. I am a really firm believer in making sure that you use just enough product. Don't squeeze all of your product in your hand because it doesn't affect anything but you having to go back to the store and purchase more. So just a quarter size of shampoo. You want to make sure that your hair is completely rinsed and drenched as well. And then you want to add that shampoo to the hair. So what I'm doing here is actually detangling Malia's hair before I start to braid it. And I do believe that it's okay to braid your hair when it's wet, especially if your hair has been dry. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to braid her hair wet. Now, I normally towel dry her hair, but because she has this color in her hair and we just did this protein treatment as well as putting a mask on her hair, I just want to keep her hair moisturized and also give her a routine of just taking her hair down so she can wear a braid out. So within the next couple of days, she'll have a braid out, and maybe I'll do a picture of that. But I do appreciate everybody that's taking the time to subscribe to the channel. Also leave comments and just come and see us live as well. We do appreciate that. Thank you again for subscribing, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sharing is caring, and we will see you all soon.